Now 39 is one of those ones that is a brilliant question by College Board. I'm going to show you one way to do it, which is going to take us a little bit of time, and then I'm going to show you shortcuts and then give you advice for how to handle some algebra questions if you're unfamiliar with how to approach them. Okay, now the way this is written is kind of helpful or hurtful depending on how you look at it, but x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 2, right? And if I put them like this, it becomes pretty obvious that I have to, or I can, not that I have to, I can eliminate the y's and add these two equations together, and I get 2x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 15 over 2. And if I plug that back into either one of these expressions, let's do this, 15 over 2, I'm going to plug it back into the first expression, plus y is equal to 13, then I'm going to get y is equal to 11 over 2. Now, of course, I'm skipping some steps here because I want you to work on that on your own. And then we would say, okay, they're looking for x squared minus y squared, and this is 15 over 2 squared minus 11 over 2 squared. And I can do some of this math in my head a little bit faster, and this is a non-calculator question, so I think a lot of students might struggle with this question just due to the math here. Now, I did get 26 as the answer, and that's answer choice B, and so this is the long way of doing this question. It gets you to the right answer, and if you don't know how else to solve it, this is one way to do it. Now, I made that look a little bit easier because I went pretty fast, but we're going to do this much differently, right? When in doubt on an algebra question, I want you to factor or to FOIL, and in this case, this expression can be factored, right? So we want to factor this expression, and we do this, and this is a difference of squares, and so it's x minus y times x plus y. And if I look at what was given to me, x plus y here is 13, and so I put that in for 13, and then x minus y was 2, put that in for 2, 2 times 13 is 26, right? And that's our answer. Now, generally, these questions are they come early in the sequence, and so if you didn't know what else to do here, and I just said you have a 13 and a 2, I would tell you to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and say which one of those gives me an answer, right? And if I just multiply 13 times 2, I get 26. So I really didn't have any idea. That's what I would do. I would just multiply those together, and I would have lucked out and got the right answer.